Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding controls to the Control Center on iPad OS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The Control Center has been updated on OS 18 and looks a little bit different. Follow the steps to learn how to add new controls to the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Control Center. Then tap the plus icon in the top left of the Control Center. Tap Add a Control at the bottom of the Control Center. Now tap on the control that you would like to add to your Control Center. It will be added immediately. When in the editing screen, you can drag it to a different location in the Control Center if you like. You can tap the minus icon in the top left of the control to remove it from the Control Center. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.